In this video, we will take you on a bike ride from UP Diliman to Quezon Avenue in Quezon City. Coming up next. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new content. If you want to watch our videos about modern Philippines, please click on the link above. Here we go. Cycling is such a fun activity. When we were young, learning how to ride a bike is one of the best experiences any kid would ever have. But with the advent of the internet, kids nowadays have less outdoor activities and they spend most of their time in front of their internet devices, playing games and surfing the net. Aside from recreation, cycling is also a viable means of transportation. One can get from point A to point B faster than what the public or private motorized transportation can give you because of the Metro Manila traffic. Another advantage you can get is you can save a lot on transportation cost, less carbon footprint, and one less car or passenger on public transport on the road, so you can contribute on lessening the traffic for everyone. And also, it is good for your health. In this ride, I'm riding with my cycling group. As a cyclist, we want to be responsible road users. We promote discipline in the use of the road, and we don't want to be a cause of traffic for everyone else. As you can see, we are riding single file on the bike lanes and go out of the bike lanes when we are going to make a turn. As you can see, cycling is not as safe as we hope it could be. Even if the city government provides bike lanes, because of motorists parking their vehicles on the bike lanes, cyclists will have to move out of the lanes to avoid them. Plus, the road obstacles inside the bike lanes cyclists also needs to avoid. One should always be aware of the conditions of the road, look ahead, anticipate, and be aware of the traffic behind you. We were surprised that the marking of the bike lanes are ongoing, and that the bike lanes that we are using is just hours old. Kudos to the city government of Quezon City. One of my friends had a flat tire, and we had to stop to help him. Where do you want me to go next? Write on the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.